Hi guys, welcome to Fabulous Sewing Fashion channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to cut a circle skirt. So here is an example of the circle skirt that she is wearing, but it is paper. First I'm going to be demonstrating with paper and then we could do fabrics. So you're going to want to fold it into a rectangle. Oh, and also make sure it is a perfect square.
Okay.
And now you're going to fold it into a smaller square. Then you want to take the edge with both sides that are closed.
Okay, so the fold sides.
Yeah.
Those are the sides that you'll be using. Okay.
And then you're going to want to take one side and you
set it on the other. Okay.
And then you're going to want to do you're going to want to grab both sides and then you're going to want to take them both to the side, to the other side.
So it's like you're creating a cone or a triangle. Okay.
So then you're going to want to cut it at the lowest you can.
Okay. Straight. Okay, I see.
And you're going to want to cut the top straight.
Okay. Wow.
And let's see.
Let's see. Voila. Oh my goodness. That's interesting. Okay.
So now let's try it with fabric. The fabric will be a little thicker.
Okay.
So it'll be a little harder to cut.
And that's a perfect square as well.
Yes.
Okay.
It has to be a perfect square.
Awesome. And so you're folding into a rectangle and then into another square. I see. And you take the folded side.
Okay, this. And you want to do the same with the paper one.
Okay. Interesting. So the folded sides are held together like a cone.
So cut it at the lowest.
Then you cut it straight through all thickness. Awesome. It's a little tough out there, but the scissors did its job. Beautiful. And then you cut the top off. Wow. And let's see your circle skirt.
So this is the skirt that she's
wearing. Oh, wow. So if you held it up like that, you got your circle skirt. That is gorgeous. Let's see her skirt again.
So
that's how. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, I'll try.
So that is how you cut a circle skirt. I hope you can make a beautiful circle skirt.
Yes!